Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, I'm back with another Shein haul. I'm gonna probably laugh off of me or me I pronounce it. It is what it is. Shein. It has to be one of those. So I got a couple fits from Shein that I would love to share with you guys. If you guys might see anything that looks cute and wanna purchase it, as usual, I'll have all information in the description box, all links to everything that I'll be trying on today. So I could just get right into the video. So as you can see, I have a bunch of items here. Yeah, your girl come much have a bunch of items ready for show no. Oh, just a quick heads up. Usually guys, I'll be buying sets like 2-piece. If you wanna watch like my old hauls, you'd see that most of my videos are all about sets. I have a lot of sets and dresses, but this time everything that I bought them separate, the tops and the bottoms. Everything is just individual. So I'm gonna be putting items together, matching items myself. You know that's not me love the matching set them, but these are just a couple stuff I just grabbed, you know. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first item I have is a shorts. I'm gonna tell you the name soon when I try it on. So with this shorts now, I bought 2 because your girl wasn't sure which size was gonna fit because they are loose fitted shorts. So I bought a small and an extra small. So I'll be trying both of them to see which one will fit. So I'm gonna try the small first and I'm gonna let you know what the name is. Alright KK squad, so like I said, I have to be matching stuff because I bought the top and the bottom separate. So the top is also a part of the haul. I also bought this from Shein. So the shorts is called Paisley print patchwork shorts. This is the small, and for me I think it's a little bit too loose. Thank God I bought the small and the extra small. Boy, yo, this make me look no. So you guys already know what this mean. This already means I'm gonna give this to somebody. Definitely giving this away. This not have no boss people. I like the shorts itself, but it's too loose. If you are like me, 5'2" and 125 pounds, extra small. Get you an extra small. Before I tell you to go get an extra small, try the extra small to make sure it fit good. Alright, so the top is called the letter crop tee, and as you can see it says bonjour. Bonjour. Yes, it's cute. This fit, this is a small. This fit alright. It's a little crop top. That's a little cute, and these are cheap. So these are like items that were on sale, you know. Just grab them one. Yeah, but this make me look shit bad. Let me jump in the extra small real quick and see how that one fits. Listen, on a must I say my weird for buy 2 of the same shorts. When you see something where you like and you're like, listen, at last minute I needed it to wear to the park, the theme park for my birthday. So, and it was last minute and I'm like, listen, one of them have to fit. So I bought 2 because if I buy the small and it not fit, then I have to go out there, go to a store, go buy something else, you know. So I might as well just buy 2. One of them have to fit. I like to give, so I know I'll be giving one of them to somebody else. But this is the extra small. The extra small now is not a big difference, but it actually feels a little bit better than the small. Yeah. So this and this can wear together, right? This and this go, right? Because you have the yellow. Some of the letters match what's on the shorts. So I think them 2 year go, right? Like, them can go on. My matching technique I go on right here. So you just buy a matching set. No, me and match. Me and make my own sets. Look at that. This can be a set. This is a set right here. Comment down below and let me know if this is not a set. Like, I bought this separate. I feel like I did good. I wanna think. Talk to me in the comment section. Your girl do her thing though. Let me show you the back. Not much going on back there. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how. So yeah, KK squad, I'm gonna leave the links down below for these fits if you guys see anything that you like. Oh, one more thing. If you guys want to see me put these look together, these fit together, dress them up and make them look good, you already know what to do. Follow me on the gram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram right here, so go there, follow me. I want to see I'm gonna put all of this look together, dress it up, take some nice picture, and yeah, just go follow me over there, please. And if you guys are from this video, gonna go over there, go comment some yellow heart under my last post and say, yeah, I'm from your YouTube video Shein haul. I'm gonna go over there and go do that for me now. I love you for that. Alright, so here I have another loose fitted type of shorts, so I'm gonna try it on and let you guys know the name. So this one is called the 90s baby graphic drawstring shorts. The material feels so good. It's cotton. Alright, so let me explain the looks that I've been trying to go for these days. So my look these days, how I dress, because I'm always changing the way I dress. So the top has to be like a crop top, and it, like, you know, tight fitted, and the bottom has to be loose. If the crop top is loose, because I got loose crop top as well, if the crop top is loose, then the bottom has to be tight, snug. You get what I'm saying? So it's either tight top, loose bottom, or loose top, tight bottom, snug, tight. I say tight. So that's the look I was trying to go for when I got these loose fitted shorts to wear with my tight fitted crop tops. But this shorts, it's cute, and I got it in an extra small, right? Extra small. Because from a look on it, I was like, I don't need to buy two. But it's still big. I'm not that skinny, guys. This is not the look I was going for, guys. And it don't even have no pocket. But it just, I think this is something. So I might just have it to wear like around the house. I don't wear shorts. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm just gonna have it just to have it. Because the material feel good. But I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this out. It just, I don't like how the front look. I wish they had it in an extra small. If they had it in extra small, I would get it. But maybe I just my shape. Because if somebody broader than me, like more hips, wear this loose fitted shorts with a nice crop top, it would fit them nice for sure. I don't like to return stuff. If I buy something and it don't fit, that's it. So the next fit is, I have another white crop top to try on as well. This top is called the Hanky Hem top. These names. But I love the style because of the V cut in the front. And it fit nice. This fit me good. This is a size small. It's plain, but I just like the style. Let me show you guys the back. So you see how it make? It just like, the back is short. Yeah, this top cute. This, I love this. So with this top, because I don't think this short is going with this top. With this top, I'm gonna try on a biker shorts. I think, yeah. So I have a biker shorts that I'm gonna try on with this top. So this is a gray biker shorts. It's called wide waistband rib knit biker shorts. As you can see, it's high-waisted, wide waistband. That's what they're talking about. And this is size small. Yeah, it fit me nice. Alright, so this is what we're working with. Just a little cute biker shorts. Not too long. You guys already know I love my biker shorts then. Every haul that I have has to include a biker shorts. Even when my favorite sticking at them. So these two go together, right? I think so. I think they can wear. I have another biker shorts to try on. Be right back. So this one is called the sunflower print biker shorts. The top is from Fashion Nova. It is in my last haul that I upload, my last Fashion Nova haul. I didn't buy any top from Shein to wear with this sunflower print biker shorts because I already have this one from Fashion Nova. So I'm just putting them together to show you the vision. Size small, it fit nice. I feel like this look right now have a little buzz now, right? With the yellow headband, the sunflower, the black, like the black and yellow. You think it's a look? Comment down below and let me know if this is a look. And my last Shein haul too, I got some black slippers. I have yellow, like a black and yellow look. Yeah, you think it can work? Please guys, remember, go to my Instagram, follow me, and you see how I put these look together. Me love this bad. This have a buzz. For the summer, this will work for the summer. And this can work too for summer because it's not hot. It's thin. Like me say, all information in the Fashion Nova haul for this stuff, so go check that out. Alright guys, so I have two more items left. I have a legging, tights, you know Jamaicans we call it tights, and another top. So I'm gonna put them together. I bought them separate. I'm gonna put them together and see how they look. Alright, so these are last but not least. So the top, as you can see, it's loose fitted. It's called drop shoulder drawstring hem crop top. Hopefully I said that correct because the name just long. And as you can see, it has a drawstring in the front. So like I explained to you guys, the loose fitted top go with the snug bottom. Maybe not with this one that I'm wearing now, but since these are the last two items, I just put them together. The leggings is called high waist tropical print. The top is small, it's a size small, it's loose fitted. I love this loose top. The leggings now, it's long, it fit nice, it's size small. It's giving me a Adidas type of vibe, but it's not 3 stripe, it's 2. But I like how it fits. It's a give me a summer vibe. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and it have a buzz. Me like it. I just bought these just to throw on the weekend, not to like dress up to go out. These are just like simple summer casual fits you just throw on together. Or you could use this legging as to exercise in like a workout. That's what I'm getting from these. Like I said, it's long. It's all the way down here. I love this look. I think it's cute. One or two. Let me say comment down below. The yellow headband here, I throw it off a little bit. Duh. Yeah, but wanna get the vision. I just that more wanting to get the vision. I love the look. But anyways, that's it for this haul. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you made it to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate that if you make it to the end. May I remind you again, go to my Instagram, follow me, comment the yellow hearts, let me know say you guys come from this video, I come from my YouTube channel. Just show me some support me like that. I have 2 hauls that I did before this one. Just recently, go check them out. It's right before this haul right here. It's a Shein haul and a Fashion Nova haul. Go check them out. I also have them in the card and the end screen. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like this video, share it with everybody you know. Also, comment down below your favorite look, which one you think got together, which one worked out for me. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.